from the Amargosa days?
Amargosa Days 2025. Welcome. Come on. Come on.
Very important in Amargosa Valley that you listen to the words of this song.
Angel on the
I
track.
like a long hair, thick red bone. Hit her up in my dually truck and took her home. She ride me like a stallion every time that we're alone. You just call me on my phone when you wanna get it on. Just take one sip of this white lightning. I tried to tell gay girl invite your friends. So baby let me know, tell me what it is. I'm just a ghetto cowboy looking for a bad bitch. Met her out in Magic City, she was thicker than a sticker. Had me playing with my zipper. I wouldn't lie, I was moving bells and hay, working overtime just so I can come through and tip her home. She climbed up that pole like a bass. Baby, let me reel you in, let me see you shake that ass. Sipping on the cold one at the bar, she was rolling up cigars and she told me it's some gas. I said, baby, I really don't know what that means, but it does sound interesting. She said, Daddy, put that beer down and hit this. I tell you what, I took one puff of that backwood, and ever since that day I needed it. Long hair, thick red bone. Hit her up in my dually truck and took her home. She ride me like a stallion every time that we're alone. You just call me on my phone when you wanna get it on. Just take one sip of this white lightning. I tried to tell gay girl invite your friends. So baby let me know, tell me what it is. I'm just a ghetto cowboy looking for a bad bitch.
Amargosa Days 2025. Welcome. Come on. Come on.
You hear that? Come on. You ask me as far as I can see, ain't no wrong side of the railroad. I'm Chris Ledoux, I'm Delta Blues, I'm sticking to my roots like Velcro. Bending them strings, dropping that bass, spitting them bars, here's a little taste. I'm that hood, smoking them backwoods like a fiddle. I'm Jay-Z, mixed with some Hank Free, just a little bit of red. Mother, little bit sex, make some of that hot sauce. Little bit y'all, little bit brother, little bit of whipped cream, little bit of menthol. Little Tennessee with some Hennessy, call me Mr. Misunderstood. One shotgun, and crop weed underneath the truck seat, little bit of country. And the razor, I've been mud blocking wide by the kitty can man with the mud tires. Lift with the light strip, automatic wrench. I got camels and alpacas eating hay behind a fence. Ghosts more than 10 exotic egg laying hens. Exotic bullets, fluffy Frenches that a little look like twins. I can get you what you want, just tell me what you trying to spend. Got a blueberry farm by the creek, by the box. Like going fishing, then my lake for this box. I just ate, I don't play, I go hard. Got a helicopter plant that I use to look around. I won't discriminate.
Successful Amargosa days. The wind was heavy, but the cash is still coming in case, baby.
We're at Amargosa Guadalupe store.
Yeah, Amargosa Valley. Thank you guys for coming out. And you guys are from like the Virginia City, Reno area, huh? And this map is one of the first maps from the Virginia City Highland Ranches areas back when it was first subdivided. And this is Pinion Mills Ranch.
Soy mexicano, esa es mi bandera. Yo la levanto por donde quiera. Verde, blanco, rojo hasta que muera. El barrio prendido ya quemó afuera. Soy mexicano, esa es mi bandera. Yo la levanto por donde quiera. Verde, blanco, rojo hasta que muera. El barrio prendido ya quemó afuera. Me voy tendido, me voy empinando mi bote. Un poco mareado por la bebida y el borlote. Me tiene hasta la riata la gente con su mitote. Pero me despreocupo, me pelan todo el garrote. Me para la chota, ya es por mi apariencia. Que hay tantos delitos, que hay tanta demencia. Yo no cargo nada, no pa' mi presencia. Pinche puerco, patente a las consecuencias. Si no topa el poli en breve, no para en la calle. No puede salir uno con mí porque ya hay detalles.
Can we get a high five with you to each other?
All right.
Yeah. Mic check 1 2 1 2. I'ma give me a cowboy hat with this one. Coat, let's go.
I was 17 with a bag of grain. I bought off a dude named Andre. I'd roll it up and roll out of town, rocking anything from Wu-Tang to Conway. Air Force Ones, alligator boots. Hell, you could have found me in either of the two. Just a colorblind kid caught somewhere in the middle. I don't discriminate. Hell, I'm a little bit redneck mother, little bit six-piece swimming in hot sauce, little bit y'all, little bit brother, little bit of wintergreen, little bit of menthol, little Tennessee with some Hennessy. Call me Mr. Misunderstood with a toolbox shotgun and a chrome piece underneath the truck seat. Little bit country, little bit hood.
You hear that? I mean, you hear that? Come on.
Now if you ask me, as far as I can see, ain't no wrong side of the railroad. I'm Chris Ledoux, I'm Delta Blues. I'm sticking to my roots like Velcro, bending them strings, dropping that bass, spitting them bars. Here's a little taste. Motherfucker, I'm that hood, smoking that backwoods like a fiddle. I'm Jay-Z mixed with some Hank 3, plus a little bit of redneck mother, little bit six-piece swimming in hot sauce, little bit y'all, little bit brother, little bit of wintergreen, little bit of menthol, little Tennessee with some Hennessy. Call me Mr. Misunderstood with a toolbox shotgun and a chrome piece underneath the truck seat. Little bit country.
Ladies and gentlemen, can you
Campfire, coffee in the razor. I've been mud sliding wide by the kitty can now. With the mud tires, lift with the light strip, automatic wrench. I got camels and alpacas eating hay behind a fence. Dwarf ghosts, more than 10 exotic egg laying hens. Exotic bullets, fluffy Frenches, add a little, look like twins. I could get you what you want, just tell me what you trying to spend. Got a blueberry farm by the crate, by the box. If I feel like going fishing, then my lake full of stock. Private chef, I just ate, I don't play, I go hard. Got a helicopter pad that I use as a garage.
I don't discriminate. Hell, I'm a little bit redneck mother, little bit six-piece swimming in hot sauce, little bit y'all, little bit brother, little bit of wintergreen, little bit of menthol, little Tennessee with some Hennessy. Call me Mr. Misunderstood with a Little bit country, little bit hood. Let it breathe. Little bit country, little bit hood.
Way out in the land of the setting sun, where the wind blows wild and free, there's a lovely spot, just the only one that means home, sweet home to me. If you follow the old Kit Carson trail until desert meets the hills, oh, you certainly will agree with me. It's the place of 1,000 thrills. Home means Nevada, home means the hills, home means the sage and the pines. Out by the Truckee silvery rills, out where the sun always shines. There is the land that I love the best, better than all I can see. Right in the heart of the Golden West, home means Nevada.